Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters and viewers of IQRA TV. Welcome to another edition of Real Talk, the program that comes into your home every week, week in, week out, bringing to you some of the more important issues that we as the Muslim community face in the UK. Issues that we have to confront on a day-to-day basis, such as hate crime against Muslims that is we've seen grow exponentially over the last few years. Issues around mental health, issues about women in prisons, issues about fostering young children. There are over 3,000 Muslim children in foster care, and we've had 2 programs to look at how Muslim community can help bring these children into their families and into the fold of Islam. So every day we try and bring something unique and something special to you, and I try and bring people who can make a difference in people's lives. And every day I say I have some special guests, but today, by the grace of Allah, I can say I really have a very, very special guest, or 2 special guests with me today. We are very, very privileged, indeed deeply honored to have with us Sheikh Abdullah Ibrahim Al-Sada, who's the Imam of one of the largest mosques in Qatar, in Doha. He's on a very quick flying visit trip of the UK, and it's the first time he has been in the north of the United Kingdom, and I'm deeply grateful to him that he's given us the time from his very busy schedule to come and join us today and share with us some of his thoughts, some of his understanding, what he's found the UK about, what are these issues that he thinks the Muslims need to be concerned about, and how Muslims should behave and live in the United Kingdom. And alongside with him is I've got Imam Ali Umar, who's the Imam of the Greenwich Mosque in London. And both of you, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, Sheikh. This is a privilege for me, a humble, what I call a sinner like me, to have the privilege of having you as my guest. Thank you very much for coming and giving us our time.
Thank you for you and for your channel.
Yeah, I mean, this is an opportunity we could not miss. When we have somebody like you coming here and giving us your thoughts, your ideas. First time in the north of England.
Yes.
First time in Bradford.
Yes.
The curry capital of the world, as we call it, or the world knows it. And how have you found this north part of the United Kingdom? You've been to London many times, I assume.
Yes. I find it, first of all, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, wa sallallahu barak ala Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. I find the north is very, very beautiful. And I learned that today somebody told me about the Bradford.
All right.
It's the famous, or it's the capital for the world, for the wool. About the wool, the best wool in the world.
Yes.
It comes from.
It came from Bradford. Yes.
Yeah. This first time I learned this.
Oh, mashallah.
Yeah.
And there was a very big textile industry as well as engineering industry.
Yeah.
Yes. So have you had time to go around?
Yeah, I go around.
All
it's
right.
very nice city, very nice people.
Right.
All people, they are friendly. Everything.
And do you find a difference between what you've seen in the south compared to the north? I know when in the past I've had the honor of having Sheikh Abdullah bin Subail with me, and he said the greenery here is much better.
Yes, and they in the south, they are busy a lot, and they everything most quickly than the north.
Life is fast.
Yes.
Right. And Sheikh Ali Umar, how are you? Welcome here. Welcome to IQRA TV.
Jazakallah.
I'm sure this is not the first time for you in the north, is it?
No. As an imam in UK, so I do come to Bradford quite regularly.
All right.
And I enjoy coming up to the north. Yeah.
So how come we've not seen you before? We need people like you to come and give sort of advice and guidance to the Muslim community.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, next time you're here, we'll have a one-to-one with you.
Inshallah.
So Sheikh Abdullah, and just to remind people your name, Sheikh Abdullah Ibrahim Al-Sada. You're from Qatar. You're based in Doha. Yeah. You're one of the imams there, in Masjid Muhammad Al-Wahhab. I mean, can you just describe? I mean, Doha is a beautiful city. I've seen it on TV. I would love to go there. Never had a chance to be there. Yeah. Inshallah, one day, Allah willing, I will have the pleasure of visiting it. But I mean, obviously, Doha is a very beautiful country, and it's now become a tourist attraction as well. Yeah. How would you describe your city compared to England?
Doha,
apart from being very warm.
Yeah, Doha, it's any city in the world. It has its own taste.
Yes.
Yeah. So Doha, it has special taste. We have the corniche, which
Right.
is very nice.
Seafront.
Yeah. And we have sand dune.
Right.
Yeah, very large and high sand dune. Many people they goes there to have fun, and in the end of the week they goes
Right.
there. The European people they goes there every week.
Oh,
They
right.
they love the sand
The
dunes.
sand dunes.
Yeah,
This is where they do the jeep safari and things like
Yeah.
that. Yes.
yeah.
That's
And we have many things.
Yes. So I mean, you are here on in the north of England, and you told me you're going around the north. You're going to Glasgow.
Yeah,
Do you say Edinburgh and place Durham, places like that? And obviously, you're giving lectures around this part of the world.
yeah.
The message that you bring, obviously, to the people of the United Kingdom, and to the people you're going to be seeing over the next few days, what is your main message about Muslims in this country? You've seen them here. We've been here for over 70, 80 years. We've integrated to a large extent. We've built this as our home. And as good Muslims, we try to live our lives to the best of our ability, but not all of us. Like every community, we have some people who don't follow the rules and regulations. What is the message you would like to give them?
Yeah. The main thing and the most important thing in Islam, Allah Azza wa Jal, He said, وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَى خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ. This, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say this to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So, good behavior, it's very, very important in Islam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, some man or person, he come to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and he said, what is the deen? He told him, deen al-mu'amala. You have good treat with people, you are a good Muslim. If you don't, so you make just a sign of equal between akhlaq and Islam.
All right.
Equal. Islam equal akhlaq,
Akhlaq.
and akhlaq equal Islam.
So it's good behavior.
Yeah. So Abdullah ibn al-Mubarak, when somebody asked him, what is akhlaq? He said, akhlaq is طلاقة الوجه. طلاقة الوجه is mean smiling. And بدل المعروف, make good deeds for people, good things. And كف الأذى. كف الأذى, it mean don't make anything bad to the people. طلاقة الوجه, smiling. بدل المعروف, good things for the people. And كف الأذى. This is the whole good deeds or akhlaq. Now the Muslims, they pray and they go to Hajj and they fast. For what? They make these things to make the scale and the hereafter heavy.
Heavy, yes.
Why? To get to the Jannah. Okay. I tell the people, if you want to make your skill heavy, you have practice akhlaq. Because the Rasul صلى الله عليه وسلم, he said, أثقل ما يكون في ميزان العبد يوم القيامة من خلق حسن. The heavy things, حسنة, it's more heavy. حسنة is akhlaq.
Right.
Somebody maybe ask, why the حسنة of akhlaq heavier than salah, heavier than siyam, heavier than hajj? Why? The scholars, when they explain this hadith, they said, because akhlaq, it's good, it's not for you, it's good for the other people. The other people, they will be happy with your good behavior.
Good behavior, yes.
But your prayer, it's for you. It's not for you, for your wife. Your siyam, your fasting, it's not for your son. It's for you. But your akhlaq, your behavior, everybody will be happy. Your wife, well, your wife will be happy. Your son will be happy. So that's why it's heavier in your skill and the hereafter. It's more heavy. So if you want to make your skill heavy, you have to practice akhlaq.
Subhanallah.
Yeah. And there is connection between akhlaq and iman. Many people, many Muslim people, they don't see the connection. I practice my ibadat and no akhlaq. I have iman, there is no connection. No. الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم he said الحديث الذي رواه الترمذي قال أكمل المؤمنين إيمانا أحاسنهم أخلاقا. The man whose iman is perfect, أكمل means perfect. أكمل المؤمنين who has good behavior. أكمل المؤمنين إيمانا أحاسنهم أخلاقا. He has خلق حسن. So his iman is good. Yeah. If you have iman, you have akhlaq.
Yes.
If you have akhlaq, you have iman. Look now to the الصحابة. الصحابة, why akhlaq الصحابة, okay, the good behavior in Sahaba, too high. Why? Because of the iman. So if you see Muslim akhlaq, it's not good, it's bad, you can say his iman is not
good.
Yes, you can say that. Yeah, weak. Yeah. I can tell you example.
Please, yes.
In البخاري جرير بن عبد الله الصحابي companion of Rasul sallam رضي الله عنه. جرير بن عبد الله, one day he went to the market and he saw a horse. He want to buy this horse, so he told his boy, I want to buy this horse, please bring it to me. This boy, he went to that man. How much the horse? He said 600 dirham. He said, no, it's too much, just 200. He said, no, 500. So they make agreement for 300. Because this boy, he's good in negotiation. Yeah.
Yes.
So he told him, okay, come to my boss to give you the money, the price. When he came, Jarir ibn Abdullah, when he saw the horse, he said, how much? He said 300. He said, this horse 300? No way. It's too much. It's maybe 400 or maybe 600. This is 600. So the boy, he said, what are you doing? I get tired when to get it
price down.
Yes. He said, look, this in البخاري لقد بايعت النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. I agree with the Nabi صلى الله عليه وسلم. بايعت النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم على النصح لكل مسلم. That I say the good for the people. النصح.
Good advice.
Yeah. I tell him the good or the right thing. The right thing is this 600, it's not 300. So
Subhanallah.
yeah, this is
so
good.
You gave an example.
Yeah, this
good example.
Now this it's akhlaq, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now nowadays, if somebody tell you this car for 100 pound, you tell him no, it's 2,000. Can you do it? Can Muslim do it today?
No. Unfortunately not. Not many
way.
Muslims would do that.
No way. Because the iman is weak. Because of the iman. Because this تطبيق, you follow the akhlaq, it's need iman, very high iman. Okay? I can give you another
Yes, please.
Real thing, real story. Indonesia. Indonesia, the biggest country, has population of Muslim.
Yes.
350 million Muslim in one country. This is the biggest population. Okay. How the Islam comes to these people? By التجارة.
Tijara, yes.
Okay. The Hadrami people, the Hadrami businessmen from Hadramaut, from Yemen,
Right.
they went to Indonesia and they
They traded.
they trade.
Yes, yes.
When the Indonesian people came to the businessman, he told him, "Do you have oil?" He said, "Yes, I have oil, but the other shop or the other man, he has better than this oil. You can go there."
Go to him.
When they come, "Do you have rice?" "Yes, I have, but this he sell it cheaper than me." They said, "Yeah, they are not businessmen. They are prophets." Or so they enter the Islam because of akhlaq. So this is the akhlaq. So there is a relation. My point is there is relation.
Definitely, yes.
Between iman and akhlaq.
The two go together.
So Rasul sallallahu he said in hadith, "Wallahi la yu'min." Wallahi la yu'min. It's mean Rasul sallallahu he swear that this person he will not enter. I mean he will not believe in Allah.
Right.
Okay, not believe. Wallahi la yu'min. This person he will not believe in Allah. Wallahi la yu'min. Wallahi la yu'min. Wallahi yu'min. 3 times. So they said, who? He said, "Man la ya'man jarahu bawa'iqahu." His neighbor will not
Be safe.
he can't protect himself from his bad deeds.
Right.
So this man, he got bad things for his neighbor.
Yeah.
So this person, he is not believe in Allah. So there is no iman.
Yes.
But the scholars said he's not kafir. He's not the iman. He's not complete. His iman will be low. So not okay. So Rasul sallam he said in another hadith, he said, "Al-Muslim man salima al-Muslimuna min lisanihi wa yadihi." The Muslim, who's the Muslim? He said the Muslim is who people they can
Be safe.
Be safe from his tongue and his hand.
Right.
So
very powerful message.
Yeah, this is bad behavior. You hit people or you say something bad. So you are not Muslim. He said, "Al-Muslim man salima." If they be safe from your tongue, you are Muslim. If they don't, you are not good Muslim.
Yes.
So there is a relation. That's what my point is when I talk to the people in the mosque. I tell them that there's very connected relationship between iman and akhlaq. So it's not something yet that you can do it or not.
You have to.
You have to. Yes. You have to.
Yes.
Okay. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam he said, "Aqrabukum minni majlisan yawm al-qiyamah," in the hereafter, who will sit behind me or next to me, who has good behavior, akhlaq.
MashaAllah.
If you have bad behavior, you will not sit next to Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, if you have good behavior, you'll be part of me and be
close,
with me.
You'll be close to me.
You'll be close to me.
Yeah.
In IQRA.
Yes. And the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam he said, you can reach very high in Al-Jannah because of your akhlaq.
Definitely.
Yes.
MashaAllah.
Yeah. في حديث صلى الله عليه وسلم إن المسلم لا يبلغ بأخلاقه درجة الصائم القائم. الصائم, he fast many times, not just Ramadan, and he make qiyam layl. But if you have akhlaq, you are with him in Al-Jannah. And this thing that the people, they are not take care of, which is al-akhlaq as-sayyi'ah. It can't protect you from going to hell.
Yes.
Okay? Or let's say in other word, if you have bad words, bad akhlaq, bad behavior, you will enter the nar. So كثرة عبادة, you make many عبادة, but you have akhlaq سيئة, you will go to hellfire. الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم, they told him, the companions, there is a lady, she is fast every day, تصوم وتقوم الليل, she is pray all the night and they fast every day, لكنها تؤذي جيرانها, but she make bad behavior with her neighbors. He said لا خير فيها, هي في النار. Yeah, she will go hellfire.
Oh, so it's clear warning.
She make many good deeds. She's fast every day, and she pray the whole night, but she has akhlaq سيئة. And they told him, okay, there is a lady, she just fast the Ramadan, that's it, and she pray just for the 5 prayers a day, that's it, but she has a good relationship with the neighbors. He says, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she will go to Al-Jannah.
Subhanallah. And the neighbors can be Muslim and non-Muslim.
Muslim and non-Muslim, yes. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he doesn't say make your akhlaq hasana with a Muslim. There is no any hadith like that, and there is no ayah like this. You are good with everybody. Like hadith al-Muflis. There is hadith, very famous hadith. They call it hadith al-Muflis. Sallallahu he said to the Sahaba, to the companion, who's the al-Muflis? Al-Muflis, the broke man. He doesn't
bankrupt.
Sheikh, I'm going to stop you for a second.
Okay, no problem.
We started off, and the Sheikh said to me when we started that he does not speak good English, so he was a bit nervous about talking. If it wasn't for this break, I could listen to the Sheikh for hours and hours and hours. But unfortunately, the TV medium requires us to go for a break. Please hold that thought. I think you've not had a program like this before. In all the programs that I've done, this is probably the one most enlightening program that I've had the opportunity to undertake, and I hope you're enjoying this as well. Don't go away. Inshallah, we'll come back very soon. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.